welcome back to Garden of Treats. So today we are going to pick up some free mulch. So you know, here at the Garden of Treats we are very resourceful and we love things for free. So we'll show you how we pick up 40 pounds of mulch for free. So stay tuned and be sure to like and subscribe to the video.
So we're picking up some mulch.
So we are at our local, I don't know what to call this place, but they have free mulch and it's the city that we live in. They just deposit all of the mulch here so you can pick it up for free. So that's what we're doing right now. So if you need some mulch, check out your local city mulchery. See what they have. They might have it for free or they might have it at a discounted price. And check out our next video to see what we do with this mulch and why it is very, very important. So we have about
25 gallons of mulch.
25 gallons of mulch. All for free.
The yard is pretty big. Show them the yard.
This is one side of it. So this is all of the mulch we got for free.